Are you a small business owner, a freelancer, or a side hustler tired of juggling your personal and business finances? Do you wish there was a simpler, smarter way to handle your money with a card that actually helps you save time and money? Well, you're not alone. Every day, countless business owners face this exact challenge. You want to focus on growing your business, not getting lost in a mess of receipts and spreadsheets. That's where a dedicated business account and card come in. And one of the most popular and powerful tools out there is the Tide Business Mastercard. So, what exactly is it? What are the perks? And how do you use it to supercharge your business? First off, let's talk about the perks. The Tide Business Mastercard isn't just a piece of plastic, it's a financial toolkit. It gives you a clear separation between your business and personal spending, which is an absolute game changer for tax time. You can wave goodbye to those messy spreadsheets and hello to streamlined bookkeeping. The card also comes with some brilliant built-in features through the Tide app, like auto-categorization of your transactions. This means every time you use your card, the expense is automatically tagged, making it incredibly easy to track your spending and see where your money is going. Another huge benefit is the ability to send and pay invoices directly from the app. You can create professional invoices, send them to clients, and even get paid through payment links. It's all connected, saving you from bouncing between different platforms. And for those with a team, you can order additional expense cards for your staff, with spending limits and controls that you can manage right from your phone. This gives you peace of mind and makes managing team expenses a breeze. Plus, depending on your plan, you can access exclusive member perks and discounts from partners, from business breakdown cover to legal support. Some plans even offer cashback on your card spending. Now, how do you use it? It's all about the app. The Tide experience is built around its intuitive mobile app. Once your account is approved and your card arrives, you simply activate it through the app. From there, you can use your physical card for in-person payments, or add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless transactions. For online purchases, just use your card details as you would with any other MasterCard. The beauty is that every payment you make instantly shows up in your app, giving you a real-time view of your finances. You can add photos of receipts to transactions, set up recurring payments, and even deposit cash at the post office. It's banking, but designed for the modern business owner. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.